We limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram like following to protect our community. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you step by step on how to fix this popular error message that people used to get on their Instagram account, which says we limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram like following to protect our community. So in this video I'll show you step by step on how to fix this problem. So make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. So first of all, after you open up now your mobile phone like this now, the step one is now open up your Play Store and go and update your Instagram app. Now go and search for Play Store or App Store. If you are using Android device or iOS device, just search for Instagram and tap on the Instagram app like this. Update the Instagram app. After you update the Instagram app like this now, go back. Before now you open the Instagram app now, go and restart your mobile phone. After you restart your mobile phone now, come back now and open the Instagram. After you open the Instagram, now from there you should just go ahead now and try to make a like or to make a comment or to start following someone and to see if your problem has been solved. If you try this method and still you're having problem, now try the second method. So the second method to fix this problem is now, after you open the Facebook app, the Instagram app like this now, go and tap on this option now. After you tap on your profile like this now, go to the menu at the top. After you come to this menu, now on the menu section, now tap on this search and search for account. So after you search for account like this, so from this account section, now go to this account status, this one, account status. After you open the account status like this now, if you scroll to down, you may likely get this feature has not been completed, your own. This last one, it says features you can't use. So all you have to do now, go ahead now and complete this verification. After you complete this verification, your problem will be solved. But if you come to this option and you're having all this verification has been like checked like my own, and still the problem is existing on your Facebook, on your Instagram account, now try this last method. So the last method to fix this problem, all you have to do now, go ahead now and open the Instagram app. After you open the Instagram app like this, go to this menu. After you come to the menu, go to menu again. Now scroll to down under the menu. After you come to this option, now go ahead and log out. After you log out on your Instagram account, now go back. Now don't open the Instagram account. Now go ahead now and restart your mobile phone. After you restart your mobile phone, now scroll to down and change your internet connection. Sometimes this problem caused because you have poor internet connection. Please go ahead and change the internet connection. If you are using mobile data, please change it to another line, or you can change it to Wi-Fi. Or if you are using Wi-Fi, then change it to another Wi-Fi, or you can change it to your mobile data. So after you change your internet connection, then from there you can go ahead now and open up your Instagram account. After you open the Instagram account, now you should be able to stop doing 4 things again. Now you have to stop following people on Instagram, you have to stop commenting on other people post on Instagram, and you have to stop liking other people post on Instagram. Stop doing these 3 things, because sometimes Instagram, the reason why they gives you this limit is because you are doing more action in a short time on Instagram. Means that you are following more people, you are liking more people post, and you are commenting more people on Instagram, and your account is not a big account. So from there Instagram will think that this account is a robot account. Let us give him this limit. So if you stop doing all this thing for like 3 days, from there your account will be solved. That's it guys on how to fix this problem. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to help you in whatever situation that you want me to help you. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.